Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, August 25th. Our agenda is to complete our warm-up and we'll talk about consumables, which doesn't apply to remote learners. However, you guys might come back someday, so you might want to know about it. We'll give a Unit 1 introduction, and then you guys will read and annotate the mentor text. Then there'll be an exit ticket. So, objective. I will learn academic vocabulary words by examining the root meaning of the word, examining its use in the mentor text, and using a dictionary to confirm the meaning. I will do a close read of the text, The Cost of Survival, by annotating the text for unfamiliar vocabulary, main ideas, and any information I find confusing. Your warm-up for today is to read the following statement. Adventurers should be held responsible for their rescue. Do you agree or disagree, and why? So at this time, pause your video, go to the Google site, click on the warm-up for today, and complete the Google form. When you're done, come back and press play. Okay, so you should be done with your warm-up. We're going to go ahead and move along. So consumables. Every in-person student will receive a consumable textbook, and these are school property that has to be turned in at the end of the year. Sorry, so you will be responsible for bringing your consumable to class every day when you're in person. If you do not have your consumable, it's hard to complete the assignment because we don't have class textbooks because of COVID policies. I recommend keeping the consumable in the school locker if you don't need to take it home for homework. If you lose your consumable, you have to pay for a replacement, and this is the same cost as replacing any textbook, which we know can get expensive, like over $100. You are not allowed to write. You are allowed to write in your consumable textbook. In fact, we're going to write in them all the time, but you cannot write in them unless you are asked to do so, and you can only write where we tell you to write on them, okay? All right, so Unit 1 introduction. Today is the start, like the official start of our Unit 1. Email was kind of in our Unit 2, but we're really going to get started on the unit today. This year, we will have 6 units total. Each unit will focus on answering at least one essential question. Units are thematic. Everything we read and the writing prompts all focus on a central unit theme. Every story, poem, etc. will have this theme in common. During each unit, we will learn about a different style of writing. You'll be expected to complete an assignment demonstrating the style of writing at the end of the unit. We will start each unit with a mentor text. A mentor text is a piece of literature we study, analyze, and imitate. The mentor text of each unit will be an example of the style of writing you will be expected to learn during that unit. Each unit will have 5 academic vocabulary words that relate to the unit. I'm going to get rid of my picture. It was nice seeing you. So for Unit 1, our theme is survival. So all of the stories we read are going to talk about people surviving something or something else, right? Our essential question that we're going to talk about and discuss and answer during this unit is, what qualities help us survive? Our writing style is argumentative. So it's kind of like persuasive, but a little bit different. Our mentor text is called The Cost of Survival, and in the consumables, it's page 6, but you guys will find it somewhere else. It'll be assigned to you in your digital textbooks. The 5 academic vocab words for this unit are evidence, credible, valid, formulate, and logical. Okay, so here's our academic vocab chart for the unit. Every unit, at the beginning of the unit, you'll complete a chart like this. Over here, you have your words. Here are your mentor sentences using the words. You're going to read these sentences and then predict what you think the word means based on how they're used. Then you're going to talk about related words, okay? So these are going to be words that have the same root. So let's just do one together. Our word is evidence. Our mentor sentences are, a receipt is evidence of a payment. The student's outstanding short film is evidence of their creativity. So given the word evidence and how they're used, what do you think they mean? Take a second to think about it. Okay. So for me, what I think they mean, I think it means proof. A receipt is proof of payment. The student's outstanding short film is proof of their creativity. Words that have the same root and are related are evident and evidently, right? Okay, so you kind of understand what we're doing? Go ahead and go to Google Classroom where you can find an assignment called 8/25 Unit 1 Academic Vocabulary and complete that assignment. When you're done, you can go to the second video on our Google Sites today. So here's the box where this video will be. This is the box where the second video will be when it's done. And this is the end of our first video. So by doing this chart, we have met our objective to examine our academic vocab, look at their roots, and just try to understand what they mean. When you're done predicting the meaning, I want you to go ahead and look them up in the dictionary and make sure you got it correct. If not, then you can correct your chart, okay? All right, I'll see you guys back in a minute. And if you want to take breaks between video 1 and 2, that's fine, but remember to come back because this work is due today, okay? See you soon.